Here we are changing the cam position sensors on a 2006 Hummer H3. This has got the 3.5 liter inline 5 3500 Vortec motor. So there's two cam position sensors. There's an intake and then there's an exhaust sensor. This is the intake side, so this is the intake sensor here. And here's the exhaust sensor over here. And one of the first things you'll need to do before removing this is there's these gray clips. These are like locking clips that are on the ends here. So I've already removed those because they're a little bit challenging to get off. I used a pair of needle nose pliers to help remove those. The next thing you'll need is to remove these bolts here. It's just a 10mm socket. Just one on each side. So I'll go ahead and loosen those up and remove those. All right, now that you got the screws out, next thing you want to do is you want to remove these plugs. As you see, I've removed the one over here. Also, this 10mm screw back here is in a really tight location. It's actually on the back side. So I used a very small 1/4" ratchet with a 10mm socket on it to get that out. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pull these out now. You squeeze down on this here, and you pull, the old part will come out. And then you take a look at your new part, match them up, make sure they're identical. Looks good. Now you install this back in, then reattach, take that, slide that back in the hole. Make sure you get it snug. Get in there as best you can get it. Take the screw, put the screw back in, tighten it down. So we've got the exhaust side connected. We've got the intake side reconnected. Nice, reconnect your battery. Toss out your old parts. And we're done.